Hey everybody, so if you are getting YouTube TV playback error, it's pretty easy to solve. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to solve YouTube TV playback error very easily. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so if you get a playback error whenever you try and play any video on YouTube TV, so uh, let me just show you guys. So if you play any video from here, so if I just select this video here and try to play it, it will give me an error. So it's pretty easy to solve. If you're getting YouTube TV playback error, all you have to do is use a VPN. um, so you can use a free VPN on your smart TV or whatever kind of a TV you have on your Fire Stick. It's pretty easy to do. You can search it up online to how to set up a proxy on your Fire Stick or your Android TV. So this is how you actually fix YouTube TV playback error. It's pretty straightforward. Just set up a DNS. You can also use Google's DNS, or you can just use a free VPN or a paid VPN like NordVPN if you have one. So yeah guys, that's about it for today's video. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.